My name is Preeti Dilip Patil, proud student of Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Hotel and Tourism Management Studies, presenting you with my EVS assignment on country Chile. Chile is a long, narrow country stretching along South America's western edge with more than 6,000 kilometers of Pacific Ocean coastline. Santiago, its capital, sits in the valley surrounded by the Andes and Chilean Coast Range mountains. Flag of Chile. The flag of Chile consists of two equal height horizontal bands of white and red, with a blue square the same height as the white band in the canton, which bears a white five-pointed star in the center. It was adopted on the 18th October 1817. The Chilean flag is also known in Spanish as La Estrella Solitaria. The geography of Chile is extremely diverse as the country extends from a latitude of 17 degrees south to Cape Horn at the 56 degree and from the ocean on the west to Andes on the east. Currency of Chile. Peso is the currency of Chile. Dollar is the symbol of Chilean peso. 1 Chilean peso is equal to the 0.10 Indian rupees. Language of Chile. The Republic of Chile is an overwhelmingly Spanish-speaking country, with the exception of isolated native and immigrant communities. According to Ethnologue, Chile has 9 living languages and 7 extant. Speciality of Chile country. Chile is the home to the Guinness World Record holder for the world's biggest swimming pool, housed at the San Alfonso del Mar Resort. The pool stretches the length of 20 Olympic-sized swimming pools and holds 66 million gallons. 11. Chile may also known for its wine, but the wines are not indigenous to the region. National animal of Chile. Huemul deer. The huemul deer, Hippocamelus bisulcus, also known as the South Andean deer, is the iconic animal of Chile. A huemul even appears alongside the condor in the country coat of arms, and they were named a natural national monument in 2006. National sport of Chile. In fact, rodeo, not soccer, is the official sport of Chile, according to government agencies that bestow these titles. Indeed, the horsey or cowboy, with his leather chaps, his knitted shoulder blanket, his woven hat, is the country's icon, not a soccer striker wearing Adidas and short pants. Traditional dressing of Chile. Men's attire consists of riding trousers, a tailored shirt, a sash, a poncho, a knee-high leather boots with silver purse, and a large flat-top hat. Women's attire consists of a white blouse, a black skirt with a slit to the hip, a waistband, and a flat-top hat. Religion in Chile country. The majority of Chileans are Roman Catholics, 55 to 60% depending on the study, and around 15% are Christian Protestant, making it one of the nations in Latin America with the greatest Protestant influence. Chile country known for. Even though Chile is internationally known for its succulent red wines and its devilish pisco, Chile also has a strong and diverse beer culture. Chile is affectionately known by its inhabitants and the País de los Poetas, or the country of poets. Top 5 places to visit in Chile. First is Atacama Desert. The Atacama Desert is a desert plateau in South America covering a 1600 km strip of land on the Pacific coast west of the Andes Mountain. Second is Easter Island. Easter Island, a Chilean territory, is a remote volcanic island, Polynesia. Its native name is Rapa Nui. It famed for archaeological sites including nearly 900 monument statues called Moai. The Loca National Park is located in Chile's far north in Andean Range. It encompasses an area of 1,379 km square of altiplano and mountains, the latter consisting mainly of enormous volcanoes. Fourth is Petrohui Waterfalls. Petrohui Waterfalls is a chute-type waterfalls in the upper reach of Petrohui River in Chile. Fifth is Pucón. Pucón is a town in central Chile Lake District, lying on Lake Villarrica overlooked by the snow-capped Villarrica volcano. Famous food of Chile's. First is pastel de choclo. It is a corn casserole with meat stuffing. Next is empanadas. It is a pastry filled with meat, cheese or mussels. Cazuela. It is a homemade stew with beef, chicken, corn, rice and potatoes. Asado. It is a barbecue of beef, pork and chicken. Reneta, congrio, corvina. It is the most typical fish. Locos. It is a rare type of molluscus. Unique about Chile. Chile Andes Mountains has some of the world's largest and still active volcanoes. At a count just over 1300, Chile is one of the countries with the most volcanoes and a number of them are still active. 3 of Chile's most watched and historically active volcanoes are Cerro Arul, Cerro Hudson and Villarrica.